Today, your angels have a very special message for you. Something is about to happen, something you may not have been expecting, but which could completely change the course of your life. Have you ever had that feeling that, suddenly, someone from your past or someone you barely know reappears in your life? It seems like the universe conspires for certain encounters to happen, and often, these encounters are not by chance. There is a person, a presence that will soon emerge, and the way you react to this arrival can transform everything. This person, whom you did not expect to see so soon or maybe never again, is carrying emotions, feelings, and intentions that may change the way you view certain situations. What is coming is intense and requires a response from your heart. It's as if the universe has been preparing you for this moment for a long time. Perhaps you have noticed signs, small coincidences, or even dreams that seem to suggest something, but you could not fully decipher. Now, these signs are beginning to make sense. Your angels want you to know that this is not a random event. The arrival of this person is an opportunity, a second chance, or even a new door opening for you. But be careful. How you react, what you say or do, will determine the unfolding of this situation. It's important to stay centered, listen to your intuition, and connect with what your heart truly desires. There is a very strong energy around this encounter, something that can be transformative both for you and for this person. It's as if something had been left unfinished, and now you both have the chance to resolve, heal, or even start over in a completely new way. Pay attention to the feelings that arise in you when this person appears. These feelings will be the key to understanding what is truly at stake here. Allow yourself to feel and explore these emotions, even if they leave you confused at first. Sometimes, our immediate reaction is to push away what makes us feel uncomfortable, but this is an opportunity for you to grow, to go deeper, and perhaps even to heal old wounds. Your angels are with you throughout this process, guiding every step and every decision. This person, who is about to reappear, carries an intense emotional charge, and the mere fact of meeting may awaken memories and feelings that have been dormant for a long time. Sometimes, the past returns not to imprison us but to set us free, to give us the chance to reinterpret stories that were not well understood or to close chapters that remained open. What's interesting is that this reunion may not be just about the past. It could be about something you are experiencing now, something that needs to be seen from a new perspective. Maybe this person has changed, evolved, and brings with them new truths, new intentions. Likewise, you have also changed, strengthened, and are ready to face this situation with a more mature and conscious outlook. But here's the crucial point. How you choose to react to this presence will be fundamental. Sometimes, the first reaction is to protect yourself, to create an emotional barrier, especially if this person has caused some pain or disappointment in the past. However, your angels are saying that this moment is an opportunity for healing, both for you and for this person. There is a chance to release old grievances, to forgive, and to move forward, whether together or separately, but with a lightness that was not possible before. This reunion could be the beginning of a new phase, a phase where you finally free yourself from burdens you didn't even know you were carrying. The important thing is that you remain open to what comes, without being swayed by old expectations or fears that may obscure the clarity of the moment. Remember, you are not the same person you were before, and that is powerful. You may feel a mix of emotions: joy, fear, curiosity, perhaps even a certain anxiety. All of this is natural and part of the process. The secret is not to be overwhelmed by these feelings, but to use them as tools to understand what is truly happening within you. Your angels are by your side to ensure that, regardless of the outcome, you come out of this experience stronger, wiser, and at peace with yourself. Do not ignore the signs the universe is giving you, as they are precious guides on this path. It could be that a word, a phrase, or even a gesture from this person lights a spark within you, revealing something hidden, something that needs to be brought to light. Be attentive and trust your growing intuition. As this person approaches, you may start noticing subtle changes in the energy around you. Maybe things that went unnoticed before will begin to stand out, as if the universe is preparing you for this reunion. Your angels want you to pay attention to these signs and trust the intuition that is growing within you. There is something very important to remember. The power is in your hands. Even if this reunion seems out of your control, the truth is that you have the power to choose how this situation will unfold. What you do with this opportunity is entirely your choice, and that is why it is so vital that you are connected with yourself, with your heart, and with your truth. It may be tempting to relive the past, to try to rewrite what happened, but your angels advise you not to fall into this trap. What was, is gone. Now, the focus should be on the present and how you can use this experience to build something new and positive in your life. This does not mean you should ignore the feelings of the past, but rather, you should integrate them in a way that allows you to move forward, without being tied to old pains or expectations. Your angels also remind you to be kind to yourself during this process. It is normal to feel a mix of conflicting emotions, and there is nothing wrong with feeling vulnerable. Vulnerability, after all, is a sign that you are alive, that you care, and that you are willing to face whatever comes with courage and honesty. This person may be bringing not only old feelings but also new possibilities. Maybe they have undergone transformations you are unaware of, and your reunion could open the door to sincere and revealing dialogues. Be open to listening, but also to speaking your truth. What you have to say is important, and now is the time to put it all out there, without fear, without hesitation. At the same time, it is essential that you keep your feet on the ground. No matter how much this situation stirs up a whirlwind of emotions, it is crucial that you remain anchored in reality, discerning between what is fantasy and what is fact. Your angels will be by your side, guiding you to make choices that resonate with your greatest good and promote peace and harmony in your life. This is a moment of great personal power, and how you decide to use this power will be crucial to the outcome of this story. Remember, you are the author of your own life, and this reunion is just another chapter you have the power to write in whatever way you desire. As you prepare for this encounter, it is important to remember that everything you have lived until now has brought you to this exact moment. Nothing was in vain. Every experience, every challenge, every joy, and pain has contributed to making you the person you are today. And this person, full of wisdom and resilience, is ready to face whatever comes. Your angels want you to see this moment as an opportunity for healing. Healing of old wounds, of patterns you might not have even known you still carried. Sometimes, life offers us opportunities for growth and evolution in ways we did not expect, and this is one of those moments. See this reunion as a chance to transform not only your relationship with this person, but also your relationship with yourself. You may find that there are issues that need to be resolved within you before you can truly connect in a new and healthy way with this person. Maybe there are hurts that still need to be released, fears that still need to be faced. And all of this is part of the healing process that this reunion is offering you. Allow yourself to feel, cry, laugh. Whatever emotion comes, let it flow through you, knowing that everything is part of your spiritual growth. Be aware that even if this reunion does not result in what you expected, it is still bringing you a gift. The gift of clarity, of understanding, and above all, of closing cycles. Many times, we do not need the answers we think we want. We just need closure. An inner peace that allows us to move forward with lightness and without regrets. Your angels encourage you to be brave and to keep your heart open. Yes, there is a chance that old feelings will surface, but that does not mean you should get lost in them. Instead, use them as a compass, a guide showing you where you still need to work on yourself. And remember, what you feel is valid and deserves to be honored. This is also a time to practice forgiveness. Not just forgiveness for this person, but especially forgiveness for yourself. Forgive yourself for any past mistakes, for any harsh judgments you may have made of yourself. Forgive yourself for moments of weakness or doubt. Forgiveness is a powerful key that can unlock doors to a new life, full of peace and love. This reunion is a golden opportunity for you to free yourself from any unnecessary weight you may be carrying. See it as a chance to purify yourself, to reconnect with your purest and truest essence. Your angels are by your side, offering you all the strength and courage you need to go through this experience with grace and wisdom. This reunion can be a turning point, not just for you, but also for this person who is reappearing in your life. Think about the possibilities this moment can bring. If life is offering you a new chance, how would you like to take advantage of it? This is an invitation for you to imagine yourself in a future where your deepest desires are coming true. What do you see? How do you feel? What are the people and situations around you? Allow yourself to dream big, without fear of seeming idealistic or naive. Dreaming is the first step to manifesting the reality you want to live. Your angels encourage you not to put limits on your desires, but at the same time, to maintain a solid foundation of realism and self-respect. Whatever happens in this reunion, remember that you deserve the best. This means that any decision you make should be guided by what is good for your growth, your well-being, and your inner peace. This person who is coming back may bring with them a proposal, an offer of reconciliation, friendship, or even a new relationship. And the decision to accept or not is entirely yours. Be prepared to assess whether what is being offered is something that truly lifts you, that makes you feel loved and respected. Your angels will be by your side to help you discern what is true and what is illusion. Whatever the outcome of this reunion, it is important that you remember your worth. You do not need to accept less than you deserve, and you should not feel pressured to make choices based on fear or insecurity. This is the time to embrace your inner strength, trust in the wisdom you have gained throughout your journey, and move forward knowing that what is meant for you will be. Perhaps you will notice that this person is undergoing internal changes, that they are trying to approach you in a different, more mature and conscious way. And maybe that is exactly what you were waiting for. However, it is also possible that you realize that, no matter how good this person's intentions are, they are still not at the same level of understanding or readiness as you. And that's okay. What matters is that you remain true to yourself, to what you know you need to be happy. This is a moment of deep self-awareness. As you navigate these emotional waters, it will be crucial for you to keep asking yourself what truly matters to you. What are your values? What are you unwilling to compromise? This reunion should not be seen as a test, but as an opportunity to reaffirm to yourself what is truly important. As you move forward in this reunion, there is a growing sense that something significant is unfolding. Perhaps you begin to realize that this moment is not just about you and this person, but about something bigger, a lesson or a cycle that needs to be completed. Your angels want you to stay focused on this broader aspect, understanding that every step you take is aligned with a greater purpose. This purpose may be related to closing old cycles, healing old wounds, or even starting a new phase of life that you may not have foreseen. Either way, it is important to keep an open mind to possibilities and not hold on to what has been. Allow yourself to explore new paths, new ways of relating, both with this person and with yourself. Observe carefully how this person acts and what they express. Words can be very powerful, but actions speak even louder. Pay attention not only to what this person says, but also to what they do. This will give you a clear view of their true intentions and whether this connection is worth deepening or if it is time to move on. This is a moment of great clarity for you. The energy of this reunion is helping you see things as they really are, without the illusions or distortions that may have existed in the past. This clarity is a blessing because it allows you to make decisions based on truth, not on unrealistic hopes or expectations. Trust in the vision that is being revealed to you, and use this clarity to guide your next steps. As difficult as it may be, there is great power in accepting reality as it is. This does not mean that you should give up on your dreams or desires, but rather that you should approach them from a place of authenticity and honesty with yourself. If this person is not ready to offer you what you deserve, then it may be time to make room for new energies, for new people who are aligned with who you have become. Maintain a stance of self-love and self-compassion. Do not judge yourself for feeling what you feel, and do not pressure yourself to make immediate decisions. This reunion may require time and reflection for you to truly understand what it means for your life journey. Give yourself the necessary time to process everything that is happening and to integrate the lessons that are emerging. Remember also that, whatever happens from this point on, you will always have the support of your angels. They are guiding you, protecting you, and offering you the wisdom you need to navigate this situation with grace and dignity. Allow yourself to feel their support, knowing that you are not alone and that everything happening now is happening for your highest good. As this reunion unfolds, you may begin to notice an internal transformation. Perhaps you feel an increase in your self-confidence, a sense of peace that was not present before, or even clarity about what you really want in life. These are indications that you are on the right path, that you are growing and strengthening with every step. As this experience progresses, you may start to realize that you are developing a new way of seeing life and your relationships. This reunion is not just a chance to resolve past issues, but also an opportunity to reinvent what the future can be. Your angels are guiding you to realize that, regardless of what happens, you have the power to shape your destiny. This sense of power can be liberating, but it can also bring with it a responsibility that you may not have experienced before. With the power of choice comes the responsibility to decide wisely, to act in accordance with your deepest values, and not to allow old patterns to pull you back. Your angels encourage you to reflect on what you truly want to create for yourself and to make decisions that align you with this vision. You may notice that you are developing a new capacity for discernment, to quickly understand what is beneficial for you and what is not. This ability is a gift from your angels, a tool that will help you not only in this reunion but in all areas of your life. Trust this renewed intuition. It is guiding you in the right direction. This reunion may also lead you to reconsider certain beliefs or expectations you had about relationships, whether romantic, friendly, or familial. Perhaps you realize that some of these beliefs no longer serve who you have become. Maybe it's time to update your belief system, to make room for new ways of seeing the world and relating to the people around you. Your angels want you to know that everything you are feeling right now is part of a greater process of growth and transformation. Doubts, uncertainties, and even fears that may arise are normal and are part of the journey. What's important is that you do not let these feelings paralyze you, but use them as fuel to move forward with even more determination. As you connect more deeply with your truth, you'll begin to attract situations and people that are more aligned with who you truly are. This reunion may be just the beginning of a series of changes that will come into your life, all of them aimed at bringing you closer to a reality that resonates with your truest essence. Remember that you do not have to do everything alone. Your angels are here to help you, and you can also count on the support of people in your life who love you and want the best for you. This is a time to surround yourself with positive energies, with people who lift you up, and with situations that make you feel more connected with the divine. You may notice that you are beginning to feel lighter, more at peace, as you leave behind what no longer serves you. This lightness is a sign that you are on the right path, that you are freeing yourself from old burdens and opening yourself to a new phase of life, full of possibilities and love. You may feel a strong desire to re-evaluate your priorities, to question what really matters to you from now on. This is a clear sign that you are entering a new phase, where authenticity and inner truth will be your guides. What was important before may no longer carry the same weight, and new values may be emerging, asking to be recognized and integrated into your life. Take this moment to truly reconnect with your essence, with what makes your heart vibrate with joy and purpose. This is the time to leave behind anything that is holding you back, any relationship, situation, or thought that is no longer in alignment with who you have become. It is a process of purification, where you can release the old to make room for the new. This reunion may have brought up intense emotions and memories, but it is also showing you how much you have grown. What may have hurt you in the past, today no longer has the same impact. This is a sign that you are stronger, more aware, and more capable of dealing with the challenges that life presents. The angels congratulate you for this journey of growth and for having the courage to face your shadows and illuminate them with the light of your consciousness. It may be that, along this process, you have to make difficult decisions, such as distancing yourself from people or situations that do not do you good. This may seem scary at first, but know that every decision you make in alignment with your truth is a step toward freedom and inner peace. This is a time to be courageous, to trust yourself, and the path your angels are guiding you. This is also a moment of gratitude. Thank yourself for having the courage to face what needed to be faced. Thank your angels for always being by your side, guiding and protecting you. And if it feels right, thank this person who has reappeared in your life, even if only to show you something you needed to see. Remember that every experience has the potential to teach us something valuable. If you look at this reunion through this lens, you will see that it was a gift, even if it came wrapped in challenges. What you choose to do with this gift is what truly matters. Trust the process, trust yourself, and know that the universe is working in your favor, bringing into your life everything that is necessary for your growth and well-being. Allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them resonate deeply within you. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice is. Type, I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. To claim this message and the blessings contained within it for you. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's lift each other up and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now and stay tuned for the important message that awaits you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your path with peace, love, and faith. Amen.